Hi, my name is Elissa Arnheim. I founded the Healthy Gut, Happy Child community, and today I've been taking a class with Trudy and Jessica all about neurotransmitters and hormone balance. And for me, this is super important because my clients are women who really want to take care of their children. They want to heal their kids, and there are a lot of behavior modifications and nutritional shifts around food that are really important, but it's really hard to actually make these changes. And the amino acid piece of this puzzle is like a magical bridge that makes it possible for them to do these things in their family. And then the hormonal piece is really critical because not only is this going to help my clients get into a place where they're again able to really deliver the changes that they know will support their kids, but it also is going to serve them for the rest of their lives, because this is the time in our lives when hormonal balance is so important for now and for the future. I'm so grateful that I got to learn all this.